In this video, I'll show you how to add global and project level instructions to your model. So we're going to go ahead and start off by clicking the Advanced Settings tab here underneath your input box. And from here, you'll see we have global instructions as well as our project chat instructions. Now, the global instructions are going to be relevant in any repo, while the project level instructions will only apply to your current working directory. So to add, it's pretty simple. You can just go ahead and click in the box here and give any new input. For example, you can say include concise but descriptive comments in any code generated explaining what the new code accomplishes. After that, you just hit enter and it will add that to your global instructions. If you want to delete or edit any of the instructions, you can go ahead and use these two buttons here, make any changes, and then hit enter again. For the project instructions, we have the same thing. You just click on the input box here, add the instruction you'd like to include. In this case, we have do not make changes to file imports or file structure unless they are directly tied to an explicit request or prompt. And we'll just hit enter on that. And all these are applied to our code base.